tingin mo? Masama ba yung may utang?
Hindi naman masama yung may utang. Kasi halos lahat naman tayo may utang, di ba? May utang tayo sa gobyerno. May taxes tayong utang sa kanila, di ba? And it's due every time you spend your money. Really, yung utang kasi, it depends on how you use it. If you use it for proper leveraging lang naman, syempre hindi siya masama. But if yung utang mo is out of control or you're gambling already, then of course, masama yun. What do I mean by gambling? So, for example, I know this guy who's selling me this project, right? He wants me to buy the lot and we'll construct a building on that lot and all off of utang. Let's just say, sabi niya 1 million daw yung lot and then yung construction ng building is 3 million. And then it's gonna generate this amount of income and then, so it's, let's just say it generates 100,000 a month. And yung mortgage is only about 70,000-80,000 a month. So he's saying like, that's free 20,000 a month money plus may building ka pa. So after you pay it off, may free asset ka. Paldo, 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 paldo. Wala kang talo, di ba? Kaya yung sinasabi niya. But that is gambling on the fact that hindi ka magkaka-issue sa building, hindi ka magkaka-issue sa build quality, hindi ka magkaka-issue sa tenants mo. 100% gamit yung building or kahit let's just say 80% maintained yung tenant yung occupancy rate ng building mo. If ever those things happens, like if ever things go wrong, you're gambling on perfection, right? Or close to perfection. That's what I mean by gambling. In that case, when you're gambling, masama yung utang. Your utang should just be a leverage for you to say, you have 100,000 peso income a month and you want to buy a new car. But of course, with 100,000 peso a month, buying a new car is gonna drain your cash, right? So what you do is you leverage, you utang, you loan for a car and pay 25, 28, 15, 20, whatever thousand peso a month for that car. So masama ba yun? Masama ba na I'm leveraging to buy a car that I can afford? You know, it's just a fraction of my monthly income. So I don't think so. In that case, it's not masama, right? If you pay for a new cell phone for installment plan for a year, I mean, why is it masama? 0% interest for 12 months for a cell phone that you're gonna pay 2, 3, 4,000 pesos a month for? Why is it masama?
Eh, paano kung umutang sa Ola para may pang-scatter?
Syempre, gambling na yun. Going back to gambling. Literal gambling.
So, masama.
What do you think?